Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Advanced Magazine Volume number 8 for Punjab and Haryana High Court at the rate 80 word per minute. So be ready, start. Since this court has already affirmed the order on charge against all the accused persons, which includes petitioner herein, therefore, the present petition, WP criminal ब्रैकेट में 205/210 impugning the summoning order is to be disposed of summarily. Stop. In the present petition under challenge is the order dated 1/2/2010 passed by learned ACMM, Kadkaduma Court, Delhi, whereby he took cognizance of joint charge sheet filed in 3 RCS. Stop. As per the procedure at the time of taking cognizance of the offence, the court is required to consider the averments made in the complaint or the charge sheet filed under section 173 Code PC. Stop. When a charge sheet is filed under section 173 PC, the facts stated by the prosecution in the charge sheet on the basis of the evidence collected during investigation, would disclose the offence for which cognizance would be taken by the court. Stop. Thus, it is not the province of the court at that stage to embark upon and sift the evidence to come to the conclusion, whether or not, an offence has been made out. Since on examining the charge sheet and the material available on record, it is clear that none of the tests laid down in Satish versus State of NCT of Delhi and Rajiv Thapar in others versus Madan Kapoor Supra are satisfied. This petition is bound to be dismissed. Stop. Para. In criminal revision petition number 113/2011 filed by Sheila Kaur to seek directions for trial court to frame charges against the accused persons under section 120B of Indian Penal Code 1860, in addition to the charges framed wide impugned orders dated 1/7/2010 and 7/7/2010. The learned trial court, after discussing the material, was of the view that the witnesses in their statements recorded under section 161 and 164 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973, have alleged that Sajan Kumar made provocative speeches and was asking the mob to kill Sikhs and was also supervising the work of his followers. As a result of those provocative speeches, large scale erosion, looting, killing and burning in the areas of Sultanpuri, Delhi took place. Stop. Thus, the learned trial court passed an order on charge for abatement under section 109. Read with sections 147, 148, 149 and 295 IPC and substantive offences thereof on petitioner Sajan Kumar. Stop. Remaining accused persons were ordered to be charged for offences punishable under section 147, 48, 149 and 295 IPC. Stop. This order has already been affirmed by this court while disposing of criminal revision petition number 438/2010. Stop. स्टूडेंट आपकी जो डिक्टेशन होगी @80 वर्ड पर मिनट होगी, लेकिन आप 80 की स्पीड को ये मत मान के चलें कि हम क्लियर कर देंगे। ऐसे ऐसे जो कोर्ट में पंजाब एंड हरियाणा कोर्ट में ऐसे ऐसे वर्ड आएंगे, ऐसा ऐसा मैटर आएगा जो आपने कभी भी सुना नहीं है। जो भी जहाँ से भी आपको लगे कि अच्छा मैटर आपको स्टूडेंट के डिक्टेशन के लिए मिल रहा है तो वहीं से आप कलेक्ट करो और उसको डेली के डेली आप इसको टाइप करो। अगर आप टाइप नहीं कर रहे तो आपको कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है शॉर्ट हैंड करने का। इसको टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसकी जो मैच की। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।